Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of skin tags completely. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Alright, just in case you don't know what skin tag is all about, skin tags are common skin growths in which a short, narrow stalk sticks out, and they are usually painless and harmless. So guys, to make this solution, I'm using miracle powder, I'm using tea tree essential oil, and I'm also using apple cider vinegar. So I'm using a pinch of my miracle powder. Mine is blocked, so I will be melting a tiny amount of it with a spoon of warm water. So I'll be setting it aside to melt completely. Then in a separate bowl, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of my apple cider vinegar. Then I'm putting half teaspoon of my tea tree essential oil. So now I'm just stirring my miracle powder to enable it to melt faster. So now it's completely melted. I'll be adding it into the apple cider and tea tree essential oil mixture. Then I'll stir it properly. I'm just making sure it is properly mixed. So guys, our skin tag solution is finally ready. You can store this in a clean jar or wherever you so desire to store it. You apply this by dipping a cotton wool into this solution and dabbing it on the affected area. You leave it for about 30 minutes and you rinse off. You do this at least twice daily till you get your desired result. Also guys, be sure to clean the affected area before applying this solution. So guys, this is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also please help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's where you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.